cheers! Today I'm talking about how to decide on a budget for your videos.
There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, online coaching, and self-study courses.
Deciding on a budget for your video production can be confusing since there's such a low bar to entry nowadays with high-resolution cell phones in your pockets. This video will help you iron out what to spend on your videos. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice, I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. Okay, so let's jump into this subject. So the worst mistake that I've seen is actually underestimating the talent needed to create truly successful law firm videos. So here's a story about my friend Bob in Georgia. He wanted a series of biography videos and wanted to start a new YouTube channel. They also wanted to shoot some videos for online advertising. All that is a good idea. Bob in Georgia thought that the most important thing should be the videographer, and that usually can be a big mistake. Videographers should know how to create videos and make videos look and sound great, but that's about it. So the most important place to spend money on is maybe not necessarily a great camera or on the actual process of creating a video, although all of that is really important. You want to spend money on strategy. I consider any video to be more valuable if you consider it to be marketing. You want someone to write scripts who understands how to write marketing copy and what various platforms are going to allow once you start uploading those videos. So first, spend a couple $1,000s for consulting with someone who understands your practice area, writing marketing copy, and who will research the platform so that your scripts will comply with any platform where you're going to be uploading your scripts. Finally, as for the main point behind this video, how much should your law firm videos cost? They should cost nothing. Your video strategy should be so dialed in that you can quantify your results and you know that you spent X amount of money on your video production and that the video itself made you many times more that amount. Are you ready to know more about video production as it relates to your law practice? Well, today I'm offering a pre-sale with a discounted price. I'm writing a new book. I'm so excited to show it to you. It's called How to Create Law Practice Videos That Persuade, which is going to be out early this year. And we also have a beautifully produced accompanying online course that takes you through everything step by step. This content will walk you through goal mapping, pre-production planning, gear, green screening, branding, post-production, and proving your results. And of course, I'm going to share how best to present yourself on camera. This isn't the kind of content that you can just happen to get on YouTube. So, how to create law practice videos that persuade. This is what you do. You go to my learning center at marycaryu.com, choose the program, put in your credit card information, and then you get an email that gets you started. It's a small investment with a huge upside and no risk because there's a money-back guarantee. But you might say to yourself, Mary, really? Pay before the course is completed? Well, you buy tickets to a show before the show is on stage, or you'll enroll in, a course at your local college. It's the same thing. We are in production right now and super excited to deliver you this content. It's so easy and safe. This is all upside for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.